I know so many people might be wondering why Terra Classic right now is not really doing well, but the truth is we have so many exchanges that have listed this coin, but LUNC is actually in the mercy of 5 exchanges, and without these exchanges, I believe so many people would have pulled out. Terra Classic by now would have been a forgotten coin, and these exchanges are really trying, though most of them have actually dropped in terms of volume that they've been controlling in a single day, just like Binance have been controlling over 57%, sometimes 60% of Terra Classic daily volume. But right now you can see that Binance now just control 39.80% trading volume in a single day, so that have actually really dropped. Okay, that have actually affected Terra Classic LUNC. You can see OKX right now control about 5.25%. They are one of the exchanges that also be helping Terra Classic to stand. They are helping Terra Classic to keep moving forward. If not, Terra Classic would have fallen. And you can see BTC Talks Pro controlling about 7.74%. They are the second to Binance. And we can see even Bitforex controlling 4.85% and Get.io controlling about 3.67%. Okay, I'm happy for these exchanges because they have been trying their best. They have been supporting Terra Classic coins, and one thing I just believe and hope that if they can really, try to support the burning of Terra Classic, I think it will be more better, because that is what will really bring more changes to Terra Classic LUNC. But let's hope to see that more exchanges can also come in to support Terra Classic in a massive way. But right now, Binance, BTC stock, you can see Bitforex, Get.io, a lot of them supporting OKX. They are really supporting Terra Classic LUNC. And you might be asking, where is Kucoin, Crypto.com? Well, this one's right now, because initially Kucoin was the second to Binance. They were really supporting, but right now they've really dropped. But I just hope all of these exchanges will continue, especially in the area of burning Terra Classic coin. Well, please remember, let's hope that LUNC before the end of this year will definitely increase. That is our prayer, but I hope for that one. And I also want to advise, if you want to buy what you can afford to lose. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.